Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this part with the help of FreeCAD part design workbench. This is a very simple part, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD and started with the part design workbench to create the part. So here I have already created this part with the help of this isometric drawing and the dimension given on it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can create these simple parts. So I will close this file and I will create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. And I create a body and I will on my origin plane. So now first thing we will do is to create this bottom profile. So for this we will select this XY plane, which is the top plane, and click on the sketch. And now we will press the origin and of the plane, and now we will create a rectangle and create a line and use the trim option to trim it and give the dimensions. So this is the 78 and this is the 1112, and we will move this point and this point to this point is a 23 and this point to this point is a 32. Click on close, and now we will create the pad of 25 mm. Click on the pad and give the 25, switch to the isometric, and now we will create this profile, and for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will click on the project geometry, and we will select the polyline tool. Here is a polyline. We will create a rough profile and complete the loop. Now give the dimension. So this one is a 46. Move this point to the downward side. Now this is the 42, and this point to this point is 8 mm. You can parallelly see the drawing for the dimensions which I am giving, and this is the 10 mm which we can see here. Give the 10, and this is our fully constrained sketch. Now we will close this sketch, click on the pad and give the pad of 18 mm which we can see here. So click on here reverse and give the 18 mm, click on close, and now you can see here these two features are not merging. So click on the pad, set here refine, set it true, and now we will create this pad, and for this we will select the top face and click on the sketch, and we will project the edges. I will project this edge, and this one, and create a rectangle and make this coincidence, and now this length is a 70 mm, 70, and this is the 42, which is already fully constrained because we have added a coincidence relation. Click on close, click on the pad, click on the reverse and give the 10 mm, click on OK. But you are seeing here the line, so for this again use the refine true, and now we will create this pad. For this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will project the geometry, this horizontal and vertical, and click on the rectangle, and now we will give the dimensions of 20 mm, and this is the 12 mm, 12, and this is the 32. Now I will move the dimensions so you can see it. This is a 20, 12 and 32. We will close it and we will pad it to the 42 mm. So click on the pad and give the 42 mm, and now we will create this hole. So for this we will select the face, click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select these two edges and project, and this hole is of 18 mm. So create a circle, and this point to this point give the 20 mm, and this to this is a 21, and whole dia is of 18, so give the 18 mm, and now click on the close. Now click on the pocket tool and select up to face and select this bottom face, click on OK, and now we will create these two holes. So for this we will select the top face and click on the sketch, click on the isometric, and we will project the edges. So click on the project geometry, project this, this and this, click on the top. Now create the two circles, and these two hole is of dia 8. So give the positions. So position is a 10 mm from this point, 10 mm, and this to this is of 20, this point to this point is 11 mm, and this point to this point is of 23, and this whole diameter is of 8 mm, and make this and this as equal. Now close it. Now click on the cut tool and select through all, say OK. So you can see that we have successfully converted this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. If you want to apply the material, then go to the appearances and you can select the material from here. Let's say I apply the chrome, and if you want to apply the any color to your part, you can select from here, click on close. So this is how we have did this simple modeling in FreeCAD, and this tutorial was for the beginner user of a FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial about the part modeling in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.